Welcome back, everyone. Another episode of the Daily ASIN Teardown. And if you have a dirty face out there, this one's for you because today we're looking at the Me Back Makeup Wipes Remover Pads for sensitive skin. So, first thing right off the rip, I noticed that it says Korean facial wipes. So, if this is made in Korea and they're not saying it's made in Korea, that's a big miss. So, from the first image here, from the main hero image, I'm not getting a lot. I'm not getting what I need. I need to see the wipes. Other competitors in the space, they're showing the wipes, they're showing the value prop, they're showing the ingredients behind it. So what's inside of this? Is it just water? Is it other things? What is it? We need to see. Your quick skin fix. It's very general. It's not really telling me exactly how it's helping. Now, into the third image, I'm finally able to see the wipe itself. Convenient application. Okay, it's pre-saturated, but what's inside? Is it just water? Let's take a look. Okay, so I see here lavender and Sika. So I know that said Sika here. What does Sika look like? So Sika, let's take a look at Sika. What is Sika? Oh, I'm just looking at the same thing over again. Sika, Google that. Sika is a tiny grass herb. All right, so you'd want to show that. You want to show a little piece of Sika next to it over there because that's important. Oh, you show it down here, but you should show it in the main hero image. But you say lavender. But what happens if someone doesn't like lavender? Then they're going to give you a bad review. But if they love lavender, they're going to click on it. So embrace what you have. So I'm curious, your bullet points here, me back, if you're watching, are very minimal, very minimalistic at best. This is not helping your SEO at all. Let's go down to the brand story module. I don't know why Amazon's playing around with this. Sometimes at the top, sometimes at the bottom. We don't have one here. So if you're looking to learn more about the brand, MeBack, well, this ain't the spot for you. So you need the brand story module to tell you exactly who you are and why people should buy from you. But the A plus is looking crisp. I'd almost prefer this image right here. This shot of your product is a much better shot than this right here. This is showing me the cap off, well, another cap. This is showing me the actual pads themselves. This is good. We're showing the Sika, but you don't talk about lavender. Why? And you're not showing how someone can use it. Where are the fresh faces? Where are people smiling, the oohs and ahs, living their best life? All that kind of stuff. You have to show that. Otherwise, people are never going to know why they need that. But okay, so Seoul, Korean's best secret, conceived in California, formulated in Korea. Okay, so even better. So with Korean skincare, that is a big thing. People like that. You say Korean in the title, show that. Talk more. Maybe even put the name brand in Korean. Put the word Korean skincare on the package. This is what people are looking for in this space. If you don't know that, you should because, oh, here, lavender, blue agave, these are all good contextual things that you could be showcasing in your images, and you're not. Now, if I take a look at some alt text over here, let's take a look at some alt text. Alt text, inspect over here, green jar of it. So you're using alt text, but you need to be using it typos, misspellings. But the biggest takeaway here is that I'm not showing you versus your competition. Why you? Why are you better? What are you doing? And how we can be so enclosed tongs, you have to pick it up with a tong. I didn't know that until I got down here. So you talk about tongs over here. So a lot of it is very disconnected. You have a lot of value props in here that you're not leading into, and that's going to help you take it from 700 plus sold in the past 30 days to a lot more. But that is it. That is the next installation episode edition of the Daily Ace and Teardown powered by PickFu. And guys, if you liked everything that we talked about today about looking at listings and diagnosing them and really understanding what works and then taking it into something like Canva and optimizing it as running the PickFu polls, but that sounds like too much for you to do because you're busy, you're a solopreneur, you're running a company, you're running brands, Amazon is just a cog in the whole machine. Well, hey, a PickFu we do done for you. So we do it all for you. So if you need a main hero image with optimization, with all the PickFu polling done for you with our graphic designers, we do it. I'm gonna throw the link below so you guys can take a look at it. But it's really powerful stuff because again, no one's ever going to see all this good stuff or okay stuff, I'll say, if they're not going to click on the image. So your image is really the portal, your main hero image is the portal or the gateway into the shopping experience. Because if I take a look at face wipes, on Amazon. Well, let's just take a look at Sika. Sika wipes. All right, you're coming up for Sika wipes. But look what your competition is. Splash of water showing the plant over here, showing the actual product outside. So it's never going to meet. Look at another competition showing the pads. So how are you going to? Yeah, you're doing better than them right now, but you're leaving a lot of money on the table. These are all little tips and tricks. All right, you dirty face folks, go clean your faces. We'll see you back here tomorrow. As always, like, comment, subscribe, follow, subscribe to the newsletter. We're putting these out daily. Just lots and lots of value. See you on the flip floppy.